Hi, Murdoch. Hi, Murdoch.
Welcome to Morning Recess.
Good morning!
Hello. Hi, I'm Deanne. I'm Leanne, and welcome to Morning Recess.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
And this is Murdoch, and I'm Tess.
Hi, and where are we today?
We are at the World Bird Sanctuary in Valley Park, Missouri. Yeah, I'm so excited.
That's funny. He is the cutest bird. I mean, seriously. Yes. Yeah. So can you tell us a little bit about the place?
Absolutely. So the World Bird Sanctuary was founded back in 1977 by our founder, Walter C. Crawford Jr., and we're a nonprofit organization whose focus towards helping birds, specifically birds of prey. But every now and then we get a bird just like Murdoch here also, who likes to help educate people. So World Bird Sanctuary, we work in 4 different ways. Yeah, we do wildlife rehabilitation. So we have an animal hospital, so if you ever find a sick or injured bird of prey, you can get help. Isn't that right? Can you know? Yeah.
Yes. Raise the roof for that.
We also do a lot of education programs, which is what Murdoch mostly helps with. Can you say, hi, pretty bird? Hi, pretty bird. Good job. Obviously, he's a big hit with crowds.
Yes.
Do you think that's funny? Did you laugh?
Hi.
Yeah, a little bit of a laugh right there. We also do captive breeding for endangered species release, and we do field studies to know what's going on with the birds around us as well. The other nice thing about World Bird Sanctuary is we're entirely free to come visit.
Yes. It's a beautiful place.
Can you wave?
We'll show you
Good
some
job.
footage. Right. And absolutely all the pretty birds that there are, and Murdoch is very entertaining. He's our new best friend
That
today.
he is.
Yes,
and
he
in
is.
fact, Murdoch here is not just cute and entertaining, but he knows that the World Bird Sanctuary, since we're a nonprofit organization, we don't get any assistance from any federal or state government, and we're run entirely off of donations.
Wow.
And Murdoch actually helps us collect donations. And would you guys like to help him practice that today?
Yes.
Awesome. So I have some lovely fake Raven dollars for you guys today. But Murdoch learned a pretty cool trick where if you hold up $1 to him, he will take it out of your hand with his beak and drop it in the donation basket.
Yes.
So would you guys like to do that with him?
I would love to. Yes.
Hold up $1. He's ready. Where does that go? Good job, Murdoch. Yeah.
Okay, here's one. There you go.
Yeah. There's another one.
Another one.
Look at that! Yeah! He gets so excited!
Yes.
Good work! And so all the dollars that he helps collect at our amazing animal encounters help go to pay to feed and take care of these birds, maybe help sponsor a bird going through rehabilitation at the rehab hospital, isn't that right? And we're so appreciative of all the help he gives. Can I have a kiss, Murdoch? Thank you so much! Because we appreciate all the help he decides to give. Absolutely. So that's something that Murdoch here does a lot of our amazing animal encounters, which are actually free shows that we do on the weekends. You can go to our website, worldbirdsanctuary.org. Good job, Murdoch. We are also on Facebook. You can find us on there. We're also on Instagram as well. We have a pretty active Instagram account. So we're on most of the social media networks.
Okay, so for those of you who have any of those networks, we have those listed down below in the
Good
description,
job.
so that way you can click on it and find wherever it's convenient for you and that you like to go on for your social media stuff. So you said you had another bird?
Yeah, so when I put Murdoch away, if you'd like, I can also bring out another one of the birds that we usually have here at the sanctuary.
Yes.
So I'll see if Murdoch would like to step up for me. Good job, Murdoch.
Good
Thank
job,
you.
Murdoch. Okay.
So this is Liberty. And
Okay.
Liberty is an adult bald eagle.
Wow.
Believe it or not, he's actually the smallest bald eagle that we have here at the World Bird
Oh my
Sanctuary.
goodness.
The reason for that is one, Liberty is male, and a lot of people are surprised to find that when it comes to raptors and birds of prey, it's actually the boys who are about a third smaller than the females, and the
Really?
weaker the females is usually a little bit larger and stronger in that case. Although the boys generally can be a little bit faster, so good balance of things.
Excellent.
But the other reason that he's so small is that Liberty is actually originally from Florida. So when you go further south and east in the United States,
Look at that. Look at his wings.
it gets a lot warmer. And when it's a lot warmer, you don't need all that bulk and mass to stay warm. So if you work your way from the southeast corner of the United States and you work your way north and west, you work your way all the way to Alaska, the further up and across you go, the larger the bald eagles get on average.
Wow.
So here in Missouri, the males are usually anywhere between 8 to 10 pounds, but the females will get up to anywhere between maybe 11 to 13. And when you get up to Alaska, you'll get eagles who are probably close to like 20 pounds darn near, some of the really large females that they have.
Oh my goodness.
Liberty came to us actually at a very young age when he was still a juvenile. He was a wild bird down in Florida, and he was scavenging roadkill on the side of the road and got hit by a car. Did some pretty bad damage to him, and while they were able to fix the bird equivalent of a collarbone and get all that fixed up, unfortunately he had some lasting concussion damage. And so with that neurological damage, they realized he wasn't quite with it enough to be able to survive on his own in the
Does
wild.
that mean he gets confused if he's trying to navigate around or anything? Or?
It's more like he doesn't necessarily always realize what's going on around him, I think, at times. His sense of personal space is not great. There have been times when I turn around, I'm like nose deep, and I'm like, hi, and he'll look just as surprised, like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm going to throw it back on your glove. But while it is kind of sad that he did have that neurological damage, they realized he was still so young, and he had such a calm demeanor that he might make a really good education ambassador.
Yes.
So Liberty came up to us from here at World Bird Sanctuary thereafter, where he was trained to sit on the glove, and he is probably one of our most well-traveled education ambassadors. He goes all around the country. He's been in parades. He's gone to schools. He does lots of different festivals. He's been on home plate. Cardinals games.
Yes!
Oh,
So
yeah,
he's a Cardinals fan.
He's definitely a Cardinals fan. We've got a bird named Fred. Why wouldn't we be Cardinals?
Right, exactly. I mean, it's fitting.
Exactly. So he goes around quite a bit and is able to educate lots of other people about bald eagles, about watching for them on the side of the road, about educating people about the dangers of lead poisoning and lead shot to wildlife.
Wow.
So he's actually, while he may not be able to return to the wild, he's helping keep a lot of his wild brothers and sisters exactly where they belong and much safer. He also leads a very spoiled life. All of his food handed to him. He doesn't have to fight for it. If the weather's bad, he comes inside. Gets so much as a sniffle. We take him to the vet, which he doesn't like, but you know.
Right, of
that
course.
will help him. And Liberty actually turned 26 earlier this week.
Really?
Yes.
So on average, how long do they live for?
So in the wild, they usually live until their mid to late 20s, but in captivity, we can usually double, if not triple, the lifespan of a lot of our birds.
Wow.
So Liberty he still has a long, long time to go with us. Absolutely. But he's definitely one of our most handsome birds.
He's beautiful.
Our smallest bald eagle. And he's great to go out and be able to do photo ops and meet people and be an ambassador for his species. We've got a number of bald eagles as well as other eagles here at the World Bird Sanctuary as well.
That's awesome.
We've got a lot of eagles here at the sanctuary. We're one of 2 places in the United States that will actually fly eagles off-site and around the country. One of our bald eagles, Clark, is actually just finished up a flight at High Point University for their graduating class. He flies over their graduating class. So Liberty is one of our glove education birds, where he just kind of hangs out on the glove and gets to travel around and visit people. We're also one of 2 places in the country that actually fly eagles from glove to glove, and we will travel around the country and free flight those birds as long as the venue is safe. In fact, Clark, who's one of our 2 major flyers, is returning this afternoon from a flight at High Point University, where they fly him over the graduating class during the graduation ceremony.
I mean, how cool is that?
So cool.
A lot of people don't ever get to see a bird this large or this powerful up close.
Right.
And that's one of the coolest things that I love about my job, is being able to bring nature that's usually far away and kind of at a distance, like you know about it,
Right.
but you don't
Yes.
really know it up close and make it personal.
Right. Well, if you guys feel like compelled and excited to donate to this organization, click on the links below and visit their websites and let us know what comics that you have. And we are so excited to be here today and glad that you guys joined us.
So not even just going online to donate, but come down and visit. It is
Yes.
it is a great place to be, and you'll be able to see all these wonderful, birds
And everything else we're gonna have.
little surprises in here that I won't tell you. You're gonna have to come down and see for yourself.
And we'll show you some stuff.
The other nice thing is we're open every day from 8 to 5, and we are free to come visit.
Yes.
Okay,
right.
awesome. Well, we really appreciate you coming down.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much for coming and visiting us and helping us spread the word about World Bird Sanctuary.
That's right. It's our pleasure. We'll see you guys
See you
later.
next time.
That was a very quiet bye. That's cute.
That's gonna be our new thing. Bye.
Bye.
That's right. The Murdoch dance.